Hi, my name is Terry. Welcome back. I'm going to show you how I take off my makeup. It doesn't have a lot of layers, but it is for glam. You might have seen the video where I show you how to do the makeup. Now I'm going to show you how to undo the makeup. Keep watching. So the star of the show is this Vaseline right here. I'm just going to take a lot of it. Well, maybe that was a little bit too much, but I take that. Oh my god, this hurts. This really hurts because you put so much effort into putting on the makeup only to just destroy it. Which is what I'm doing now. Only to just destroy it. Alright. Oh my god. So now I'm taking wipes. These are normal wipes. They're not really makeup wipes, but if you have makeup wipes, you can definitely use those. Try to get as much of it off. So another alternative to Vaseline is an oil. If you have an oil, you can use that. It really breaks down the makeup and makes it a little bit easier to really get it out, you know. Alright, I'm gonna use my third wipe, which will be my last wipe before I go and wash my face. Okay, see, my third wipe is not as dirty anymore. There's still some makeup, obviously, but it's not as dirty as this one. Alright. Then for washing my face, I'm going to use warm water. I'm using warm water instead of cold water. I feel like it takes out more of the dirt than cold water. So I'm coming back just a second. So a personal fave of mine is the Dove Beauty Soap. I feel like it's gentle enough, so that's what I'm just using here. You're not going to see me rinsing because of my setup and all of that, but I'm going to be rinsing with warm water as well. I'm going to assume that we all know the 1 minute rule, so that's what I'm using. Just really get in there. Okay, so we are now all rinsed out. The girlies know we don't use towels on our face. I'm just going to go in with my micellar water and a cotton pad. This is the micellar water that I'm using from Garnier. It is an oil infused one, and it's perfect when you're trying to remove eye makeup. It's perfect when you're trying to remove eye makeup and you don't need to rinse this off. So this is the product right here, and I put it on here, and I'm just going to get in there and try to get all that excess gunk out, because it's bedtime and we do not sleep with makeup on, no matter how tired. So if it's not as heavy as the makeup that I had today, you can just go straight into the micellar water and then maybe wash. But we need to get the makeup off before we go to bed. That's just the rule. So I know you always think that after washing my face now I'm clean. No, you're not. You're not. And the micellar water always shows that every single time. Every single time I use my micellar water, I'm like, and I thought my face was clean. But it's never clean until you go in. And now I'm just using a second one because that one is already dirty. After all that, it's still dirty. Alright. Just go in there. Like that. I swear this is the last one. This is the last round. She said ain't no pulling up. Meet her at the pulpit. She ain't tryna play no games. She think all is the same. And if you not on that forever shit, you can stay in your. Because I had lashes on, I had mascara on as well, so this really helps clean that up. We are done, and on the nights that I have my exfoliating treatment, that's the part I'll be putting it on. But because I put it on last night, I'm just going in with my moisturizer from Portia M. I'm all moisturized. Now, if you have an oil, you can go in with your oil. I like to sometimes go in with my Vaseline as well.